5 months ago, flash flood and massive landslide hit Krabi Province. Banton village were located in front of Pranom Benja Mountain. Today, the affected area were not fully recovered. Flash flood and massive landslide destroyed villager belongings and claimed 12 lives. Thousand hailstones could not be moved from the area. Krabi Province authority reported that about 136 houses were destroyed. A few damaged houses were still not rebuilt. Since the flash flood and massive landslide has hit the area on March 29 in this year, Krabi Province governor and local authorities are now trying to recover this area. To prevent further damages by flash flood and landslide, local villagers were asked to move to nearby villages.